Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one quickly I'm showing you how to fix your Gmail emails stuck in Outbox on Android. So we need to kill the frozen app process first, running in your device's background, cache memory. So just go to apps, for example, in your settings, manage apps. You can also do that from the app drawer, that's all good. And of course in the search for apps, just type in Gmail. There you go, and choose it. In here, guys, just press on full stop on the bottom left. Full stop. Then, guys, you can just open the storage or storage cache option menu cell. In my case, it's going to be in here on the bottom right, clear data, and then just press clear cache and confirm. Okay, and also do not click clear data as we only want to wipe out corrupted temporary system logs. And then while still inside the Gmail app settings, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. You can go to data usage here. All right, and ensure that the toggle switch for background data is flipped on and active. Okay, as you can see, background data, in my case, it's active. And also turn on the unrestricted data usage to bypass aggressive battery saver modes. Also go back, go to battery, and in here, guys, make sure to not set the app for restrict background apps. Otherwise, it's going to be closed while you're not using it and you won't receive any new notifications. So either choose battery saver or no restrictions. And once these settings are locked down, you can just open your app again and see if that worked. So that is it. Now your mail engine is re-authenticated and you can just receive your stock messages straight through the service. See you in the next run, guys. Thank you for watching.